I'm on a mission to find the absolute best smartwatch for both men and women in 2026. Let's see if I can narrow it down. Smartwatches have become an essential part of our daily lives, helping us stay connected, track our fitness, and so much more. With the rapid advancement in technology, these devices have evolved to offer a wide range of features that cater to various needs and preferences. The problem is, with so many options available on the market, choosing the right smartwatch can be incredibly overwhelming. From Apple Watches to Samsung Galaxy Watches, and a plethora of other brands in between, each one boasts unique features that make it hard to decide. I've spent countless hours researching, comparing, and testing some of the top models to help you make an informed decision. The sheer number of choices can be daunting, especially for those who are new to the world of smartwatches. You might find yourself wondering what features are must-haves and which ones can be compromised. I'm here to guide you through this maze, sharing my insights on what to look for in a smartwatch. Whether you're a fitness enthusiast, a busy professional, or someone who just wants to stay connected, I've got you covered. When it comes to choosing a smartwatch, there are several key features that you should consider. Fitness tracking is a big one. Can it monitor your heart rate, steps, and sleep patterns? Battery life is also crucial. Do you want a watch that lasts a few days or even a week on a single charge? Design and aesthetics play a significant role as well. Do you prefer a sleek and modern look or something more classic and traditional? Compatibility with your smartphone is another critical factor. Do you use an Android device or an iPhone? For a smartwatch to stand out from the competition, it needs to excel in at least a few of these areas. Some watches may offer exceptional fitness tracking capabilities, while others might boast a stunning design that's hard to resist. Ultimately, the best smartwatch for you will depend on your individual needs and preferences. After extensive research and testing, I'm excited to share my top recommendation for both men and women. The Apple Watch Series 9 stands out for its seamless integration with iPhones, user-friendly interface, and impressive fitness tracking features. Its sleek design and robust battery life make it an excellent choice for everyday wear. For Android users, the Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 is an excellent alternative, offering a stylish design, comprehensive fitness tracking, and seamless integration with Samsung devices. Its built-in GPS and heart rate monitoring make it perfect for fitness enthusiasts. What sets these watches apart is their ability to balance form and function. They're not only stylish but also packed with features that make them incredibly functional. Whether you're hitting the gym or just need a watch to stay connected, these models are top-notch choices. Smartwatch for men/women, 1.91 inches smartwatch 2026 new fitness watch with 120+ sport modes, fitness activity track with pedometer/sleep monitor/heart rate IP68 waterproof, white. Operating system Wear OS 1.0. Special feature Bluetooth 5.3 making/answering phone calls, full touchscreen, heart rate, step counting, sleep, alarm clock, sedentary reminder, remote control photography, music control, female menstrual period prediction, wrist flicking and screen brightening, weather, fitness tracker, 110+ sports modes, magnetic charging, app notifications reminder, IP68 waterproof, long battery life Bluetooth 5.3 making/answering phone calls, full touchscreen, heart rate, step counting, sleep, alarm clock. Battery capacity 300 mAh. Connectivity technology Bluetooth. Wireless communication standard Bluetooth. Battery cell composition lithium polymer. GPS no GPS. Shape square. Screen size 1.91 inches. Brand Soudorv. Bluetooth call and message reminder. The men's smartwatch are equipped with the latest Bluetooth 5.3 chip, which increases the connection speed by 80%, and a highly stable connection with no delay. Answer and make calls right from your wrist, and easily sync multiple mobile contacts. It also supports multiple smart reminders, including incoming calls, email, texts, SMS messages. You won't miss any important calls or notifications. 1.91 inches HD big screen and DIY dials. Fitness tracker features a TFT HD color screen, 320x380 touchscreen and curved 3D curved glass for superior picture quality and touch sensitivity. Watch for Men have more than 100+ unique online watch faces to choose from. You can also customize your watch face. It can be any photo, such as your family, star, pets, etc. Meanwhile, 4 levels manually adjust the brightness, so you can clearly see the displayed time and exercise data even in direct sunlight. 110+ fitness modes and IP68 waterproof. The fitness tracker watch provides up to 110+ sports modes, covering running, cycling, fitness and other activities to meet the preferences of different users. During your workouts, it will record data like heart rate, steps, calories burned, distance, and active hours in real time. The smartwatch for men is IP68 waterproof, allowing you to wear it during outdoor activities, rainy days, and while washing hands. 24-hour health activity tracker. Smartwatches for women track your heart rate and sleep patterns around the clock. And yours can track your period with menstrual cycle tracking and ovulation prediction as well. All data is presented in the Glory Fit app, offering a comprehensive view of your health status. Watches women. It is compatible with Android 5.0 and higher and iOS 9.0 and higher. 30-day standby time and multi-functions. This smartwatch for men has a large built-in 300 mAh battery that ensures up to 5 to 7 days of use and about 30 days of standby time with just 2 hours of charging. Sports watch also includes many utilities such as weather forecast, calculator, music control, camera control, alarm clock, sedentary reminder, stopwatch, timer, GPS, find your cell phone and more. Just enjoy your smart life by simply downloading Glory Fit for free from App Store or Google Play. In conclusion, finding the best smartwatch for men and women in 2026 requires careful consideration of several factors. By prioritizing what's important to you, whether it's fitness tracking, battery life, or design, you can find a watch that perfectly complements your lifestyle. If you've had any experiences with smartwatches, good or bad, I'd love to hear about them in the comments below. Don't forget to check out my next video where I'll be diving into the latest tech trends that you won't want to miss.